Hey everybody, this is Jerry and
Bob.
And we are on our way to Salisbury today to film the next round of Holly Kia TV shows, or TV commercials.
Commercials, yeah.
We are, of course, we're waiting on the star of the show, Brandon. He's running a little bit late today, but Bob has...
I just put the tags on that Kia Sorento SXL, and we'll be leaving soon.
All right, let's go take a look at the car and enjoy the ride. So where are we going, Bob? We're headed to
ABC Studios
at WMDT Channel 47 in Salisbury.
Yeah, in Salisbury,
and
right downtown.
We're going to be filming
the next round of commercials. So we're doing February, March, and April. Right?
February, March, and April.
You got it. Okay.
All right. So what kind of car are we driving today? Is this is a Sorento, right? Is it a certain trim?
It's a SXL.
Top of the line. You can't get any better.
All right. So
I better put my seatbelt on.
Got heated seats. I got on right now.
Heated steering wheel.
Yeah, booty's feeling a little warm. Hands feeling warm.
This was a 2017. How many miles were on
32,000.
Right.
what's the stock number? It's S20
202A.
202A. So if anybody's interested in taking a look at it,
Call
give us
me.
a call and we'll hook you up.
Navigation system. It's got backup camera. It's surround camera that you can see.
Look at that. Sunroof is huge.
Oh yeah, it's a panoramic sunroof. It's terrific, and they got the built-in sunshades in the back.
It's even equipped with navigation. And Bob, it even has your age on it. Oh, I'm sorry, that's just a speed limit.
Speed limit 55. That's right.
But look, Bob, what's this?
Oh yeah, that's my love letters flyer that I'm going to be doing a play in February with Leanne Hansen. She's won an Emmy Award, and so I'm going to be acting with the Emmy Award-winning actress in Millville at the Dickens Parlor Theater on the 21st, 2nd.
Hold that up to the camera.
Oh wow, yeah. Look, see that?
You don't want to miss this one, folks. This is a good one. I've seen this.
All right.
So the dealership did sponsor my kids' basketball team again.
Oh,
And I coach all of them, though. I'm there Monday through Thursday.
that's a full-time job.
What? I'm there, man. It's crazy.
That's good. I'm sure your kids love that.
Oh, yeah. My girls play tonight. Can't wait for it, man. Can't wait for it.
We're good, man. Right, we're here at ABC Studios, WMDT TV.
Alright, here we go. Ready, and action.
It's Kia Madness here, Holly Kia, Selbyville, Felton.
Push, pull, drag, or drive any Kia to action.
So, Bob, you've just been named MVP of the big game. Where are you going to go now?
I'm going to Holly Kia Land, where they want to approve my credit regardless of the hits I've taken in the past. Plus, they want my trade, and I mean, it's a... Hold on just a minute. I need a minute. Action.
Savings here. Get your savings here.
Savings, savings, get your savings.
And Holly Kia, we want to approve your credit.
Guaranteed.
Say it again.
Guaranteed. Okay. Go ahead.
Remember, Jim wants to see you in a Holly Kia.
What we're gonna do, like there, I guess we'll say, hey, this the hot box, man. We about to rap in here. You hear me? The hot box. We about to rap in here. This the hot box.
They want my trade. Man, I can't even begin to. I'm sorry. I need a moment.